Alright, you are welcome again. How are you doing and how is the tutorial so far? Hope you are catching up, right? Good to hear. Alright, let's go. We are here to serve you better. Please, if you know a suggestion you can give to us to improve on anything, please do. There is always room for improvement. Alright, now let's see what we have for today. This question says evaluate the limit if it exists. Lim as x approaches 0, square root of 4 plus x minus 2 all over x. Okay, this is what we are asked to solve. Now let's plug in 0 wherever we see x. Then let's see what our result will be. So if we do that in our numerator, we are going to have square root of 4 plus 0 minus 2. Okay, so that means we are going to have square root of 4 plus 0. It will give us 4. That is square root of 4. Then square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And then in our denominator, we are going to have 0. Okay, so that means we're having 0 all over 0. That means we got the work to do. Okay, that's it. Now let's see what we can do. We have lim as x approaches 0, square root of 4 plus x minus 2 all over x. Please pay attention. Alright, now let's go. We are going to multiply this expression or this function by the conjugate of the numerator. Okay, now you discover that when you take a number and divided it by that number, what will it give you? 1. And then multiply by any other number, what will it give you? The same thing. So you discover that we treated a similar thing when we talked about properties of real numbers. So in that properties of real number, we say something like multiplicative identity. So that is, in a real number, there is a number that can multiply every other real number and it will not change. That is, when this number is multiplied by when any number is multiplied by 1, it remains the same. That is multiplicative inverse. And we say that multiplicative inverse is what? 1. And then now listen, we said here, when you pick a number, something like 8 divided by 8, what will it give you? 1. Take any number at all, divide it by that same number, it will give you what? 1. And then multiply by anything, it will remain the same. So that means when we take the conjugate of the numerator, divide it by that same conjugate, what will it give us? It will give us 1. Then multiply by the function that is given to us, what will it give us? The same thing. But this is what we want to do. Please pay attention. Okay, now let's go. We have lim as x approaches 0, square root of 4 plus x minus 2 all over x times square root of 4 plus x plus 2 all over square root of 4 plus x plus 2. Okay, now from here, see how I want to arrange this. We are going to have a lim as x approaches 0, square root of 4 plus x minus 2 in bracket, square root of 4 plus x plus 2 in bracket, all over x, square root of 4 plus x plus 2 in bracket. Okay, now let's perform the operation in the numerator. Let's see what we're going to have. So, we treated something we called conjugate operation. Then in that conjugate operation, we figured out a shortcut, or that is a simple way of doing it. So that means we are going to have lim as x approaches 0. So all the numbers in numerator So when you multiply, you are going to arrive at 4 plus x minus x. That is, 4 plus x minus 4. 4 plus x minus 4. Alright? All over x. You open bracket, square root of 4 plus x plus 2. Please, if you don't understand what we did in this numerator, please try and watch that tutorial. That is, we title it conjugate operation. Okay, please try and watch it so that you can, or you will understand better. Okay, now let's go. We are going to have 4 plus x minus 4. So when you perform this operation, you discover that we'll have 4 minus 4. It will give us what? 0. So we are having x in our numerator. So we will have lim as x approaches 0, x all over x, square root of 4 plus x plus 2 in bracket. Okay, now we discover that x is in numerator and x is in denominator, so they can cancel each other. So in so doing, we're going to have x divided by x will give us 1, that is in numerator. Then x divided by x in denominator will give us what? 1. And then 1 multiplied by square root of 4 plus x plus 2, which will give us square root of 4 plus x plus 2. Okay, alright, let's insert 0 wherever we see x. Okay, that is, we are going to substitute for x now. Now we're going to have lim as x approaches 0. We're going to have 1 all over square root of 4 plus 0 plus 2. So square root of 4 plus 0 is square root of 4. Okay, then square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So therefore we are having lim as x approaches 0, 1 all over 4. Okay, 1 all over 4. Yes, so after the evaluation of lim as x approaches 0, square root of 4 plus x minus 2 all over x. So our answer is 1 all over 4. Thank you very much. Let's take another example.